Good morning, Miva. Here we are, Monday morning on the 28th of October. This is Halloween week. Yay! All right, our quote of the day will get us going. I hope positive thinkers keep their focus. They have definite, clearly set goals. Jane Aniston wrote that, and I kind of agree with it. Positive thinking does help you keep focused. So let's do some positive thinking today as we go through our day today, Miva. All right. Next up today is, National Chocolate Day. Perfect day to celebrate the week of Halloween, I think, October 28th. So the National Chocolate Day on this day recognizes one of the world's favorite tastes. While many specific chocolate-related holidays exist through the year, National Chocolate Day celebrates all things chocolate. So yum, yum. Have some chocolate today just to celebrate. That would be great. Okay, today in history, well, we have a weekend's worth here that we can look at. So October 26th, it was on 1774, the First Continental Congress, which protested British measures and called for civil disobedience, and that concluded in Philadelphia. In 1825, the first boat on the Erie Canal leaves Buffalo, New York. So a little picture here for you to show the Erie Canal. In 1881, the three Earp brothers and Doc Holliday have a shootout with the Clantons and McClurys at the OK Corral in Tombstone, Arizona Territory. I just like the name of that town, Tombstone in Arizona. In 1636 today, Harvard College, the oldest institution of higher learning in the United States, is founded in Cambridge, Massachusetts. And once again, we have the picture of the ivy on the building because it is one of the Ivy schools, and that's where that came from. And now in 1886, this day, the Statue of Liberty, originally named Liberty Enlightening the World, dedicated at Liberty Island, New York, formerly Bedloe's Island, by President Grover Cleveland. So a nice picture of Lady Liberty right there. It's been redone and refixed, and I saw it last summer. It's a wonderful sight if you can get down there and see it in New York City. And then finally, I saw this a few years ago as well. In 1965, construction completed on the St. Louis Arch at 630 feet. It is the world's largest arch, and it's right over here in the corner. All right, events everywhere. It's Buzz Lightyear telling us there are upcoming events. And so let's look first at our fossil field trip that we're going to be presenting. Mrs. O'Grady is looking for you to come to that on November 8th, and that is at the Harrington Learning Center in Milo, Maine. So make sure that you have let Mrs. O'Grady know that by emailing her, and so that you can be sure that you have a place on that day. Sounds like fun. All right, and don't forget her egg drop challenge is also happening. So it's a project to have fun, and to use a hard-boiled or frozen egg is not allowed, right? It's just a regular old egg that you've taken out of the refrigerator, okay? And then you must take a video of it and send it in via either MP4 or YouTube link to, again, Mrs. O'Grady right here. And November 8th is the date, okay? So get working on that now. And we do have the MIVA meet and greet at the Sports Arena in Bangor coming up. That's on the 22nd, so please let Mrs. Lance know that as well. Sounds like a fun trip for everyone. And coming up very soon is the 50,000 words in 1 month challenge that the Young Writers Program is putting on. So make sure that you let Dr. Chapdelaine know that you are interested, and she's giving you the classroom codes and access to that site. All right. Well, that is it for today. So advisory, what's that? Well, enjoy your advisory time and also your Monday, and have a great week, everyone. Take care.